Hello, I'm Chloe from Zhongshan DKM vending machine. This is our new perfume vending machine. It has 5 nozzles and 16 channels to sell perfume samples, and you can also sell the spray. Now we choose spray first. This one and pay. We have paper currency payment and card payment. Now we use card.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
Wait a second and press the button. Guide your hand to the nozzle. Okay.
Thank you.
Back to shopping. We choose another sample. This one.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
The machine will dispense the item. Okay. We take it out from the pickup area. It doesn't need the staff or it doesn't need to close. It can make money for you 24 hours. Thank you for your watching. Okay.